What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Today, I want to talk about Titano Finance, why I bought it, and the most important question: if you buy it today, can you still make money? Well, I took the plunge. I am creating the experiment, and let me share with you guys my results after hodling for about 27 days. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Have you ever been to a Reddit, a Discord, or a Telegram, and these paid admins block you for asking legitimate questions because they can't answer it for whatever reason? Well, come over to reddit.com truth over profit, because this is where we can share our stories and share our knowledge so we can avoid the crypto landmines and find the crypto gems. So come join us and share that information. Titano Finance. What is there to say about this? Well, it has an incredible 100,000 APY. You're thinking, holy cow, it's a lot. Yes, it is a lot. And when I saw this about 27 days ago or a month or something like that, I said, you know what? This looks interesting. Let me go ahead and try it out. Let me go ahead and buy some and see what happens. Well, I did exactly that. I bought almost 2 BNB worth only because I was curious, and this is more of an experiment than anything else. It's not really a, oh my God, I'm going all in, guys. No, I'm trying to see if this really works. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I did. Okay, folks, here we are on the Titano Finance charts, and I bought around February 12th. And as you can see here, around February 12th, and February 11th, I bought twice. I bought near the top, okay? The top being at around, let's just say 19.26. Now again, I bought this for experimental sakes because, and the reason why I chose to buy near the top is because, well, many folks like yourself bought at the top at the same time, and then following that, booyah, some whale sold a ton, and then you lost all your money and you panic sold. Well, guess what? I didn't panic sell, and I chose on purpose to buy at the top to demonstrate that, hey, you know what? I think this rebasing stuff works. So from February 12th to right now, as of this recording on March 11th, is literally at 17.14, and it's a little bit below where I bought in at, which is the top. But interesting enough, I did buy twice. I also bought on February 11th, so I bought a little lower as well, around 15.5. The reason why I bought twice was because the first time I wanted to say, hey, you know what? Let me buy it and let me see if this rebasing stuff actually works. And I said, okay, it actually worked. So the following day, I saw it go even higher, and I said, perfect opportunity. I want to buy at the top. You're thinking, hey, John, you're freaking nuts. Yes, sir, I am nuts, but I'm trying to demonstrate and to see if this rebasing protocol can really make you guys money, even in a downturn. And ladies and gentlemen, I took this experiment because I know many people buy at the top, and we always see videos of people buying at the bottom, and then it goes to the moon. But in those tokens and those cryptos, usually, yes, that is true. You should buy low and sell high. But for Titano, I took a different approach. Obviously, I didn't go all in. I just put a little bit of money. But I do want to show and share with you guys that if you do buy at the top for Titano, oddly enough, it's actually okay. Now you're thinking, hey, John, you're nuts. Why don't I just buy at the bottom and let it go to the top, and then boom, I would make more money? Absolutely. But again, I want to emphasize that I made this video to demonstrate to folks who bought at the top and who didn't panic sold what could potentially come for you. Okay, folks, so here we are right here on my spreadsheet that I made for you guys. So I bought Titano on February 11th and February 12th, 1,032, around $200 worth, or 0.5 BNB. And at that time, BNB was roughly around 400 bucks. So I would just use that for simplicity's sake, okay? It's not meant to be an exact number, but it's close enough where you get the idea. Once I saw that when I bought it, it worked, the following day, I chose to buy twice the amount and at the high on purpose. I know. You're crazy, John. You're crazy. I get it. But again, this is meant to be an experiment. So total is about 1.8 BNB and about $734. Again, I want to emphasize, I didn't go all in. It's an experiment. So today, March 11, 2022, I have 5,900 Titanos. So I've gotten over 2,400 Titanos in about 27 days. Today's current price of BNB, I would have 2.54 BNB. So I increased my value by quite a bit. And if I go by today's dollars, I will have $1,017 at the moment. So that's fine and dandy everything. But now let's go ahead and see some numbers here, okay? Because we want to see how much you can make daily, because this is a passive income play. So again, from February 11 and 12 to March 11, it's about 27 days as of this recording. I'm seeing an average return of about $15 per day from a $734 investment. That's about a 2.04% increase per day ROI, return on investment. So in those 27 days, I've gained $405. Ladies and gentlemen, in those 27 days, I've gained over half of my original investment, and I chose to buy at the near all-time highs, which I've showed you guys in the charts, and I've showed you guys right there in my spreadsheet. So we can see here, folks, I have literally gained almost $400 in passive income, $15 per day on a investment of $734. I'm getting 2% in ROI per day. I mean, okay, 15 bucks is not a lot of money, but in 27 days, I've already recouped more than 50% of my initial investment. Ladies and gentlemen, that is incredible. Now, of course, I do want to emphasize these are unrealized gains, which means that if I don't sell today and the price goes up or down, I can make more or I can lose more. It is as simple as that. But currently, with a Titano chart, it is marching up and up and up and up. But if you also look at the chart, it's getting near the resistance or the all-time high around 19 and 20 cents. And then from there, somebody may dump off again and I will be back to ground zero. And that's okay too, folks, because if that happens, that means that I will have more tokens when I come down, and that just means I will be down lesser. Now, there is a fundamental problem with this token. It is the whales. But you know what? The whales are a problem in any token, right? So the question here is risk tolerance. What should you do? Should I sell when I reach a certain point? Should I take some profits and take out my initial investment? Yes, you can do that. But if you do that, if I do that, that means that I will accumulate slower. The power of compounding interest is based on the fact you leave in your original and you take nothing out, because money makes money. In this case here, Titanos make more Titanos. So again, for me, this is a purely experimental play. It is not me trying to go to the moon, but in theory, my $734 could be, by the end of the year, maybe close to $1 million. Now, if this happens, that will be amazing. I'm not going to hold my breath. Again, this is purely an experiment. And just understand that in 27 days, I almost doubled my Titanos. Maybe next month, I will double it again. And once you double a double, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's the power of compounding interest. Many folks are too short term. When they see some instant gains, they go, okay, time to pull the chute and get some. While you can do that, while I do encourage you to take profits because, hey, you never know. Will Titano go up or down in the future? Nobody knows. But just know that the more you hodl, the longer you hodl, the more you will compound. So honestly, I'm hoping to make a lot of money from this play, from a small amount of money. So I will be documenting my Titano journey and letting you guys see what's going on under the hood so you can see, hey, is it a good play or a bad play? And of course, most importantly, I am not an early buyer. I bought literally 4 to 5 months out after it was released. So I am not a whale and I am not an early buyer. But the point being is, can we still make money? So stay tuned and check it out next time. The best way for you guys to support the channel is by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi, link down below in the description. Get $25 in Chronos, crypto.com, and get 5 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL, valued up to $8,000. All you have to do is use my link down below in the description, create an account, and deposit 1 penny or even $1 and get 5 free stocks valued up to $8,000. The only caveat is that it ends March 19, 2022. So don't sleep, folks. Jump on it. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.